Welcome back to Thesmallerhalf. Today we got some friend mail in the mail from Stanky Cheese.
From Stanky Cheese. Okay.
Open it up.
You gonna open it up?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it has a little cactus on the back.
That is a cute sticker.
Yeah, I'll show it to them. I need some help. This is the sticker.
Is this our very, very first friend mail, guys?
Yes. Yeah.
Our first ever friend mail. We're so excited.
There's also some bubble stickers.
What?
Mermaid stickers, I'm guessing for Kinley.
Very nice. Kinley does love mermaids. That's so sweet.
Cheese. And this is wow.
Cute.
And then it says, to Thesmallerhalf, you guys are so cute. I can't read it.
Oh, because it's in cursive a little bit. She struggles with that. I try to catch up with y'all all the time. Love you guys. I am so sorry to get your mail so late. No problem. We're just so excited to have it.
You're the only one, yeah.
It says, don't be strangers and write back. And we would love to. It says, love Phoenix and the family. Thank you guys. That was really sweet of you. We love it. Kinley's going to have so much fun with those stickers.
Can we open it?
Already.
Awesome. Okay, thank you.
Please put it down lower, she says. You are thirsty?
Tuna, baby.
I have tuna.
Yeah, not for you. I can get it. Not for you.
Oh, she's so cute.
You can have a smidge.
Thank you, Mama. Is that good, honey? You like the blueberry? Oh, she squished it. Your great-grandma will be so proud of you. Blueberries are her favorite.
Who?
My mom.
I'm a little late with posting this, but a couple of weeks ago, we got to go and check out all of the cars before the STPR race, which stands for the Susquehannock Trail Performance Rally. My nephew and his wife have a car that they drove in the rally. This is them standing by their car. And it was really fun to go. The kids got to sit in their cars, check them out. Then we walked around and looked at everybody else's car. And then we got dinner. It was a super fun night.
What is it up to? Big dog.
Yeah, there's 4 people. And then move down to the jump. So you're gonna...
The high school had a homecoming carnival. They had good food and games and a petting zoo. Ooh, chocolate covered bacon on a stick? What? That's crazy. Is it good, Ezra?
I don't know.
You're not sure? Oh, look at the cute bunnies. You like that, Kinley? Look how cute.
Was it?
Yeah.
It's that good, huh?
It's not great, but I mean, like, it's fun to try.
Yeah, it's always fun, new things. We were at a fair once and Carter tried sharp on a stick. Tastes like chicken. Yeah, Ray, stay here, bud. Oh, you're going to say hi to Sister Clark?
This tastes like bacon.
Does it taste like chocolate?
Yeah, it tastes like chicken, bacon, and chocolate.
Bacon
A bite? Or a ostrich or something. Demonstrate what? I think it's it. Oh, okay. Demonstrate. Ostriches are so cute.
You like that, Kinley? It's fun. Almost dropped the second one.
Hey, that wasn't my fault.
She's so excited.
Alright, so I'm going to have you turn sideways. Alright?
I already know what colors you're going to pick.
Yeah.
And we're doing blue and purple, right? Alright. Alright, here we go.
Grade has a different color. That's why there's a lot of yellow.
How are we doing, alright? I'm going to...
I love this carnival.
It's going to be cold.
That feels so
Say thank
fun.
you. Thank you. Miss Kinley. Sweet.
Let's see, Kinley.
Cute kitten. Oh, Bella, are you wearing your fall sweater, honey? Is it getting cold? Yes, it is.
She doesn't want to be on the
It's getting cold, you wacky dog. What are you doing?
She's acting up.
You're so cute, Bella. This was road cleanup. We went along a stretch of highway that our church has adopted to take care of and helped clean up the garbage.